It is health that is wealth, and with this motto, a free medical camp named Health First is organized at Shri Ram Global School. So let's check out and know what's the fact and what's the motto of this medical camp. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hi, I'm good.
I'm good ma'am. So first of all, tell me something about this event. What's the purpose of this mega medical camp Health First?
NEP, the National Education Policy, talks about a paradigm shift in the Indian education system.
Okay.
It calls for the mandatory kind of guidance to be given to the children and the parents for the nutrition and health.
Okay.
So probably we are the first school which took this initiative to guide the parents and the children about their health and the nutrition.
Okay.
So we have started with the wellness series.
Okay.
Under this, the first one is Health First, and on 21st of January we invited many doctors from the reputed hospitals, and then the nutritionists, and then dietitians. All these people were invited in the school to guide the parents and the children, and for their consultation also the doctors were available.
Okay.
So this is basically done with this purpose.
Okay. I also attended, ma'am. There is a panel discussion that was really marvelous, and all the specialized doctors from the different hospitals are here. So what do you think, is this kind of sessions are beneficial for the parents and students?
Yeah, so there are many myths related to you can say the medicines and the diseases, and we keep taking the medicines otherwise without discussing it with the doctor, without taking guidance of the doctor.
Yeah.
So to break the myths related to various diseases, so we invited the panel of doctors. So one pediatrician, Dr. Gurmeet Chaudhary was there, one dermatologist, Dr. Anupama Rampal was there, then the eye surgeon, Mrs. Archana, Dr. Archana was there from ASU Hospital. And Dr. Bharat Suneja, he is a pediatric dentist.
Okay.
He was there. So all these doctors, they were asked the questions which are otherwise very general. Dr. Prerna Goyal, she was also there. And they were asked very general questions which particularly we don't understand that we need to go ahead like this with a particular medicine. So asthma related questions were there.
Yeah, eyes, especially on the health issues regarding child.
Yeah, so
that is main purpose, I think. The questions were also very relevant in our routine life. These are also here. Yeah. So ma'am, bookish knowledge is very important for the student, and especially nowadays every school is focused on the practical knowledge, and especially on overall development. What do you think? Bookish knowledge is important, or a practical knowledge is more important?
See, the amalgamation of both, I would say. Bookish knowledge is very important because for memorizing the facts, once we read a book, then we write some facts, and then we get to learn. So, and then learning by doing is something which is again very important, because research says when a child is doing something with his hands, naturally his learning is more effective. It is going to go for years. Whereas once we read, we forget, we need to do it again, we need to read it again, and then we again come back to that very memory. So learning by doing is also very important. So schools should be able to provide the combination of both these.
So ma'am, tell me something about the admission procedure. Is this going on, or it should be later?
Yeah, Shri Ram Global School has opened the admission for the session 24-25.
Okay.
So we are taking the children starting from the age 3 years as per the guidelines of NEP. Okay. So 3 to 4 years old children, they go in foundation year, then LKG children 4 to 5 years old, then UKG children 5 to 6 years old. Then we are taking children up to grade 6.
So ma'am, there are many schools in Ludhiana, they provide each and everything. So why Shri Ram Global is different from others?
See, one thing I vouch about Shri Ram Global School is the methodology of teaching, and secondly the care we take of the children. So we do take care that the experiential learning remains at core. and then we always try to train our teachers for the updated kind of things coming up in the education segment.
Okay.
So it is not there that we just keep doing with the conventional methods only.
Okay.
So the conventional teaching, no doubt, that is going on in many schools, and that is also not something which I completely say no for. So that also goes on, but we need to keep ourselves updated as per the coming up techniques.
Yeah.
So we keep training our teachers. So teachers, once they are upgraded, they are ready to take over with the children. So our children, we believe in the holistic growth of our children.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving us precious time and your.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, Ji. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. So, ma'am, first of all, please tell me something about the journey of Shri Ram Global School.
So, with God's grace, we opened our school on 10th April last year, 2023.
Okay.
So, it is situated in South City, Ludhiana. If I talk about journey, so I can mention few events.
Okay.
So, like in July, we did IWC.
Okay.
It was If We Care.
Okay.
The whole motive behind that event was to create entrepreneurial leadership qualities amongst our students,
Okay.
plus to take care about society. So now if I talk about society, how we took care of that, all the kids, they were given this task in summer vacation that they have to create small things.
Okay.
And then they will distribute here in the school. We opened some canopies, we made stalls for them, and they did merchandise there with
Okay.
help of their parents.
Okay.
So we were able to collect very good amount of donation, and then we donated it to 3 social service camps. Like we did, we donated it to Munukta Da Seva,
Okay.
and then there is one more institute, Wind,
Okay.
for women. Yes.
Okay.
So it was very fulfilling for all kids, for our parents, for us, that yes, we have done something good for society. And then towards October, we planned one more event, that was Alpha. There we really encouraged our students to be playful, like they can play as much as they want. So we dressed the entire school with swings, and there was very nice water bodies created, and
Okay.
there they did some small boating kind of a thing and all. So that was to encourage the physical well-being of the child,
Okay.
and to encourage the sportsmanship in each and every child.
Okay.
And now coming to this event, this is again a very special event for our
Special
school.
Absolutely.
Now we today, by God's grace again, and with ma'am's help, Gurpreet ma'am, our principal ma'am,
Okay.
she invited eminent doctors from our city. And all the doctors, they were so helpful, they were so motivated that yes, we want to come here, we want to give our services to the society, and we invited our school parents plus outsiders.
Okay.
That is, they can come, they can consult doctors, they can ask them whatever they want to ask for their well-being, because we really believe that nowadays it is very important to think about your health first. Then
Absolutely.
only you can think about anything else. Your ambition or your dreams can be only fulfilled if you are a healthy body
Okay.
and healthy mind.
Healthy mind.
Yes.
Ma'am, what kind of facilities are provided here for the students?
Facilities, like I told you, I always say this, that every school is going to do good thing with curriculum. But only extraordinary schools are going to do something extraordinary with co-curricular activities.
Absolutely.
So our main focus is that. That's why we keep doing events, we keep encouraging them about things that they can do out of the classroom.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Overall development
yes,
is
overall,
more.
we
Absolutely.
always believe that we have to create leaders.
Leaders.
And yes, and not create, I think, to just make students, all of them, as a global citizen.
Global citizen.
Yes,
Absolutely.
so they are very much accepted wherever they go. They accept the environment, and even environment accepts them fully. So
Thank
yes.
you so much, ma'am, for giving us precious time. Thank you.
Thank you.
So guys, if you want to focus on your children's overall development and want your child to be creative and innovative, so admissions are open at Shri Ram Global School. Do visit here and enroll your child here. Shri Ram Global School offers a wide range of extracurricular activities, including sports, arts, music, drama, and various clubs and societies. Their goal is to provide students with a holistic educational experience that goes beyond the classroom. A school which believes in holistic growth and where the global goals are taken on the forefront. So admissions are open here. You can easily contact with the school management on the flashing numbers.